students, and welcome back to our online classes of English language standard 5th. So students, I have sent you one photocopy of letter writing to your WhatsApp number, okay, on our WhatsApp group of 5th standard. But then also I am explaining it you how to write a letter to your friend, that is informal. But students, before we shall start writing this letter, first you have to see, or first you have to learn which are the types of letter. So students, there are two types of letter. First is formal letter and second is informal letter, okay, and from that we are going to learn informal letter, okay. Now see, letters are of two types. First is formal letter and second is informal letter, okay. In formal letter, these letters are official letters, official or business letters. Means writing a letter to editor, writing a letter to principal of the school, okay. Then there are two types of letter. One is formal and second is informal. So formal letters are official or business letters. These formal letters are known as official or business letters, and informal letters are the letters we are writing to our friends, relatives and family members, okay. So in the formal letter, we are writing to editor of the newspaper, principal of the school, manager, director or collector. So all these letters coming under the title of formal, okay. And informal letters we are writing to our friends, our relatives, our family members, mom, dad, etc., okay. So student, always remember that letter is a conversation through written or typed words, and we are writing letters to convey a message, and it not only has a personal touch but it also reflect or imprint the personality of the writer, the person who is writing a letter, okay. He is just giving expression to his thoughts or ideas through writing a letter. So it depends on the writer how to convey the message effectively, okay. So you can write down the letter in a plain language, but if you are using decorative language, then it is very good. So students, you will say that, ma'am, this is a modern world, this is the world of emails and SMS, and then you are telling us to write a letter. But students, though we are living in a modern world, it is very important to know how to write a letter, because when you are writing a letter to another person, when that person receives that letter, the joy is unlimited, okay. The person gets very happy, and you can see the expression of the person to whom you are writing when he receives the letter, okay. So his joy knows no bound, okay. It means that he becomes extremely happy. So that's why we are writing the letter, and you should know the format of writing the letter. So have you understood? Let's move further. Now students, a letter writing is a conversation through written or typed words. It conveys a message to the reader, okay, to whom you are writing a letter. At that time you are conveying your particular message, and also has a personal touch and imprint of the personality of the writer. It depends on how the writer has to convey the message effectively. Okay, it depends on the speaker, how he is presenting his thoughts, his ideas through the writing, and how he is expressing his thoughts. Okay, so that is what letter writing is. Now students, now recently I have told you that I am going to tell you 7 points that will be very helpful to you to write a letter according to that format. Now see, the first point of that format is, now see the format. Now there are 7 points to remember. Now first point, we are talking about the first point is the heading. Now students, this is the first point, heading, and in this heading you have to write down your address only. Your own address. Okay, here you have to write your own address only. Then, and don't mention your name here. Okay, only your address is required here, not your name. Okay, so only you have to write your address, whatever your address is, where you are staying is. Then second point is the date. Now how you are writing the date is also very important. Okay, so now today's date is 13th of October 2020. So you have to write the date according to this. Okay, like this you have to write down the date. And if you are writing 13, 10 and 2020, then this thing is wrong. If you are writing like this, then your marks will be cut. So this format is correct. You have to write the date like this only. Okay. Now see, the third point is the salutation. Or you can say greeting. Salutation or greeting. When you are writing a letter to your friend, you don't directly you never directly start writing. Okay, first you are writing their heading, then writing your address in that, writing date, pin code, name of the city where you are living, and after that comes the salutation. Salutation means you are addressing to your friend. Okay, hello dear friend, or my dear friend, how are you? Okay, so that is known as the salutation. Okay, it is known as the salutation. You are at this place you are greeting your friend. And when you are greeting your friend, at that time after that you have to give comma. For example, if you are writing dear friend, whatever name of your friend, here you have to write name of your friend, whatever. Okay, Mayank, Rahul, I have written here Mayank, okay. But after writing this name Mayank, dear friend Mayank, and after that you have to give comma. Dear friend Mayank, and after that you have to give here comma. Okay. So have you understood? That is known as salutation or greeting. Then afterwards, after this line, you can write below this line, or you can start from here, from the margin. So it is better to start from the margin. Start writing from the margin to your left side. Okay. So from here you can start writing your letter. How are you? I received your letter. I get very delighted. I feel very happy to get your letter or to receive your letter. Okay. So have you understood this salutation or greeting? Salutation or greeting means addressing to your friend. Okay. After fourth point is the introduction. Introduction. Here you have to introduce the topic of the letter. Why you are writing the letter? What is the topic of the letter? Here you have to mention, and you have to write it into 3 to 4 lines. Okay. It is required that only 3 to 4 lines are necessary or important. So here you have to give the introduction of the letter. Why you are writing the letter? What is the purpose of that? What is the reason behind that? That you should have to mention here. Now fifth point is body of the letter. Okay. The body of the letter. And in this you have to write down about detail about the topic you are writing the letter. Okay. What is the reason? You have to describe it in detail here. Okay. This is the main paragraph of the letter. So it should be big enough. And right purpose of writing, it is descriptive paragraph and should written in natural style. So always understand that this you have to write descriptive and in natural style. Okay, in your own natural way, in your own words. So always whenever I am giving this letter to the students, they are telling me, they are asking me, ma'am, should we write in our own language? So yeah, you can write in, you can use your own language, you can express yourself in your own language, but always remember that the language should be descriptive and it should reflect your natural way. You have to express yourself in your own words. Try to express yourself in your own words. Whether they may be simple words or the simple style you are using or you are expressing yourself. Okay. So you have to write in your own words. Now sixth point is conclusion. Sixth point is our conclusion. This is the last paragraph. Okay. This is the last paragraph. I can write here, this is the main paragraph. Main paragraph, and this is conclusion is the last paragraph. Paragraph you have to round up the subject matter. Whatever subject or whatever purpose you are writing to, you have to round up it and you have to make end of the letter. Okay. You have to write about yourself, your family, depending on the topic, and again it should be 3 to 4 lines. You have to write it in 3 to 4 lines. Okay. Then last is the subscription. Last point is the subscription. And in this subscription you have to write down with love, or your friend, and after that you have to give comma in the end. With love you have to give comma, your friend you have to give comma. Don't write both these words, okay? Then you will say मैम आपने ही तो बोला था विथ लव कॉमा करके योर फ्रेंड कॉमा करके लिखना है. No, it is not important. You can use any one of this phrase, okay? You can either you have to use with love and then give comma, or either or you have to write your friend and give comma, okay? And after that you have to write your first name only. Always keep in mind that after this you have to write your first name, okay? Whether it is Seema, so only you have to write your first name Seema, with love Seema, your friend Seema. So like this. This is the format that you have to follow, how to write a good letter, okay? So now again I am telling you how to write your address, okay? So pay attention carefully. See, I am telling you how to write your address, how to start your letter, okay? So first I have told you to write the heading. In the heading you have to mention your address. You have to write down the address, and don't mention your name here, okay? Only address is required here. 12A MG Road, Hilltop Towers, Shillong. Now here you have to write your own address, okay? यहाँ पर तुम्हें तुम्हारा खुद का पता लिखना है जहाँ पर तुम रहते हो, and name of the city where you live, Manmad. So you have to mention here Manmad and pin code of Manmad. Then you have to leave line. इसके बाद में एक line leave करनी है, फिर उसके बाद में लिखनी है डेट. अभी यहाँ पर 27 मार्च 2020 दिया है. So this is another way to write a date, okay? And after that again you have to leave line here, and after that you have to start from margin, dear Ria, okay? Then you can address your friend. If you are having girl as your friend or boy as your friend, you have to write his name. No matters whether it is boy or a girl, but it should be your friend, okay? Then give comma here, and after that writing this you can start writing from the next line, from the margin, okay? Here I am pleased to receive your letter, okay? Like this, I am pleased to receive your letter, and whatever you want to write in that letter you can continue writing, okay? So have you understood how you have to write down? Here you have to write down your address, and after that when your address is finished you have written name of the city and pin code, then leave a line, then enter the date when you are writing the letter, okay? On which day you are writing the letter you have to mention the date, and after that again leave line, and then you have to start writing the letter, okay? Dear Ria. This dear Ria is the salutation or greeting. It means that you are addressing to your friend, you are greeting your friend, and then after that line below that you have to start from margin writing the letter, I am pleased to receive your letter. Then continuously you can write down, and remember that I have told you that after the salutation introduction is there, and in that introduction you have to write it in 3 or 4 lines, okay? Then body of the letter, that is the main paragraph, okay? And after that the conclusion comes, that is the short paragraph. Then comes the subscription, that you have to end the letter, okay? So have you understood? Now let's see how to write a good letter. Now students, see one example. I am giving you how to write a letter, okay? Now see, here I have written my own address. here you have to write your own address, where you are staying, where you are living. So I have written here 12/A Sandhya Vihar, Shravasti Nagar, Manmad, pin code of Manmad. Then I have written here, when you have written the name of the city where you are living, you have written your pin code number. Okay, after that you have to leave one line here. Then you have to write down the date, 13th October 2020, and again you have to leave the line here. Then you have to address your friend. Who is your friend? You have to write name of your friend. Okay, here, dear Riya, dear Ajinkya, dear Bharti, or Seema, or whatever. Okay, Rohan, Rohit, whatever, who are your friends. You have to write only one name of the friend, okay, to whom you are writing the letter. So I have written here dear Riya, and after that you have to give comma. Don't forget to give comma. If you are not following all these things, then your marks will be cut. And after that again you have to start from the margin, from the left side of your page, okay, from the margin. Then you have to write, how are you? It's been ages since I heard from you. It's been ages मतलब बहुत दिन हो गए हैं, तुम्हारे तरफ से कोई भी खबर नहीं आई है, कोई बात सुनने में नहीं आई. हाँ, होप ऑल इज़ वेल विथ यू, तुम्हारे साथ में हर एक चीज़ अच्छी हो रही होगी. वी आर ऑल वेल हियर, ओके, हम यहाँ पर सब अच्छे हैं. आई होप दिस लेटर फाइंड्स यू इन साउंड हेल्थ एंड वाइब्रेंट स्पिरिट. और मुझे लगता है कि ये लेटर पढ़ के यू आर फीलिंग साउंड इन हेल्थ, मतलब तुम्हारी तबीयत अच्छी होगी और वाइब्रेंट स्पिरिट, और तुम्हें अच्छा महसूस होगा. ओके, आई होप दैट योर हेल्थ इज़ गुड एंड वेल. Then you have to write down the second paragraph. Okay, this is the second paragraph that we are writing. I was thrilled to read in newspaper that you have won the first prize in national level drawing competition. Full stop. I became so happy, comma, my joy knew no bounds. Full stop. So, comma, congratulations for winning the first prize in national level drawing competition. Then you have to give full stop. I am proud of you, full stop. You are not only do wonders in academics but also co-curricular activities also. Okay. Now you have to change the paragraph. You have to write down from the next line. Start from the margin. I was told as many as 600 students from 300 schools participated in it. Full stop. Drawing is an art which very few people have. Full stop. I can imagine the thundering applause you must have received at the prize distribution ceremony. Full stop. At school you must have received so much of praises and appreciation from the principal. Okay, now we are going to write down the last paragraph. Okay, we are going to end the letter. This is the last paragraph. Kindly tell me some secret tips to be good at drawings and paintings. Give my warm regards to uncle and aunt. And here you have to, again to the left side, you have to write down yours affectionately, give comma and write your name. Okay, only you have to write your first name. So here we have finished the letter. So I hope that you have understood what is the meaning of letter writing, why we are writing the letters, types of letters, and the letter, informal letter that we have studied today, that we have learned today. I hope that you have understood it very well, and you will, when you will write the letter, you will also go according to the points, according to the format, to go score the good marks. So students, this makes me to stop here. Now I am taking your leave. Okay, and till then you have to take care of yourself, and bye for now. I will be back with some new revision questions and answers that will come for your exam. So bye for now. So here I am signing out of the day. Bye bye.